Hello everyone. In this video, how to apply to RISE scholarship and to be success in the selection process. Follow me in this video. Before we go in this video, please subscribe to the channel so you reach every important and useful videos we upload. Same time, by subscription, we are reaching Google and YouTube search engine. Please like if you like this video and share this video with others so they have the benefits of this video. Let's go now. This is a website for the RISE scholarship, RISE for the world.org. Here are the list in the header part of the website, and here you have to sign up or log in, and then here their application facts, way global winners, all winners, benefits, news, events about RISE. You can read the benefits of the applying, and you can become a selector. If you are a teacher or a manager or a school principal, you can apply for become a selector. Here you can contact them. So who can apply for the RISE scholarship? Students who are from the age 15 till 17 years. So in يعني اخر عمرك in July 1 2024 2024. So between July 2 2006 till July 1 2009, where in or when in July 1 24. Okay, application benefits. Connect with global community, attend virtual events, receive project guidance, winner benefits. Here you can explore and read the RISE Global Winner. To join you have to sign up, so apply, sign up here and continue about this process. There are many sections in this. You have to create a profile with RISE, and then you have to write essays. These essays are very, very important, because these essays, if you give it time and effort and the concentration, you will be selected. But if you write it in a rapid way, if you write it with not with any importance, you will fail to be selected. So this is the essays. This is like the interview between you and the staff of the RISE. So take care and give it a lot of time and effort, and you can ask your teachers, ask your parents to help you for filling or writing these essays. You have to answer the questions. It's open questions. It will ask about the challenges in your life. It will ask about your hobbies, your success in your life, how to deal in difficult situations. It will test you about how you express yourself and how you pass some situations so you can be selected. They are searching for leaders, for leadership skills. They are searching for innovation people, or innovative people who like innovation, or who like to think critically. They are searching for learners, developers. All these are who are searching for in use. So after you fill your data and tell them about yourself, you will submit your project, demonstrate your talents and benefits your community by developing a project. If you developed a website, if you developed some programming software application, if you have any hobbies like music, like art, like sport, you can write your story to them. Complete 2 assessments, different side of your brilliance by taking quizzes. You have to answer some quizzes, take a quiz, play an online strategy game, review projects, the last step, So the deadline for applying for this contest is the 17 January. It's mean after 17 days from now, the application submission due, and the revision will be done in 31 January 2024. So I hope you, as a STEM student, I hope all STEM students inside Egypt and outside to apply for this worldwide scholarship. I encourage my students to submit their application through this scholarship, and I hope you win this. Please subscribe in the channel to reach every important grant or scholarship or video we upload, and same time ask any question and I will reply you as soon as possible. Press like if you like this video and share this video with others through your Facebook groups or WhatsApp groups so they benefit from this video and apply for this contest. Thanks for watching the video. If there is any problem or any question, don't hesitate to ask me. Thanks for watching.